They gon' love me for my ambition.
What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Ambition Writes. I'm going to be doing a series where I talk about all my favorite products in each video, right? So as you can see by the title, today's going to be all about shampoos, co-washes, and clay washes. So in another video, it'll be all about deep conditioners where I'll talk about my favorite protein and moisturizing deep conditioners. Another video will be my favorite leave-ins, favorite styling creams, moisturizers, gels, edge controls, you name it. So it's a whole series, sis. It's a whole series. So that means you gotta hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell so you're notified when I drop all of that good stuff. And all of this is catered to low porosity hair, low density, fine strands like myself. I don't hair type, but I have 3C4A hair, so it's catered to that too if you're into that stuff. So let's get into this. Again, today's gonna be shampoos, co-washes, and clay washes. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with conventional shampoos. So one of my favorite shampoos is the Kurls and Potions Bamboo and Rice Water Growth and Restore Shampoo. It's an Ayurvedic restorative cleanser, okay? I've mentioned this before on my channel. I have another video where I mentioned all my favorite products. The reason why I'm doing a new one is because things have changed, but this has not changed. So the first 5 ingredients in this is distilled water infused with Aretha, Shikakai, I think that's how you say it, nettle leaf, horsetail, and hibiscus. This has so much good things. It has fermented rice water, flaxseed, fenugreek. It does have coconut oil for those that don't like that. It has aloe vera juice as well. I will be noting in all of these series a few ingredients that people tend to hate, which is glycerin, coconut oil, aloe vera juice, or shea butter. Those tend to be some things that people don't like. This shampoo is a very low lather shampoo, okay? I use this when I use the whole Ayurvedic system. So it's the shampoo, the rice water rinse, and the deep conditioner. I usually use it all together. However, it doesn't mean that you can't use it by itself. It's just what I prefer to do. And this stimulates hair growth, strengthens hair, and improves elasticity. So when I use the shampoo, kid you not, my hair sheds a lot less. And again, it has a lot to do with the ingredients in here. Fermented rice water, lots of Ayurvedic herbs, bamboo. Like, girl, Kurls and Potions, you know this is my ish. If you're looking for an extra moisturizing shampoo where you want lather for days, girl and gents, then the Miche cleanser, the moisturizing and cleansing sulfate shampoo. This stuff I can detangle with the shampoo, like, so it gently and thoroughly removes product buildup without stripping hair and scalp with natural oils. This does not strip my hair whatsoever, okay? I love this. First 5 ingredients: distilled water, sodium, something something, something something. Okay, so shampoos tend to have ingredients that I can't say, okay? If I can say them, I'll say them. If I can't, I can't, okay? But needless to say, this is all like good ingredients. There's no sulfates, silicone, stuff like that. This shampoo, I will say, lasts a very long time. A little bit goes a long way. It's such a very potent shampoo where it lathers very well, suds for days. You don't need much. Smells great. Another shampoo that I like is the Palmer's Natural Fusion Micellar Rice Water Cleanser. So this is a clarifying shampoo. I highly recommend that everyone have at least 1 or 2 clarifying shampoos in their stash because we need to get rid of all that gunk. Shampooing with a sulfate-free shampoo is cool, but it doesn't like get down on the surface. You know what I mean? So I like to have this on hand. It says it gently purifies and nourishes hair. No sulfates, parabens, all that stuff. Even though it's sulfate-free, this is stripping. So this is a clarifying shampoo for sure. This is micellar rice water. It attracts dirt, excess oils, and impurities, drawing them out for a gentler, more effective hair cleansing. So I love that this draws out all the dirt on my hair, strips my hair, and it gives me a nice reboot. And that's what we need sometimes. Along the same lines is my Alikay Naturals Moisturizing Black Soap Shampoo. It is not moisturizing to me, so I see this as another clarifier. More on a natural route than the Palmer's one. So first 5 ingredients is water, aloe vera leaf juice, palm kernel oil, and cocoa seed butter. It has shea butter in here, coconut oil. I don't reach for this as often. I don't find that I need to clarify my hair as much in the cooler months. However, I reach for this more in the summertime when I have my wash and goes and I'm using tons of gels or you know, stuff like, or like you're sweating more in the summertime, so I do reach for this a lot more. And the last for conventional shampoos is my Camel Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. Some people don't like this, but I really enjoy this. It's actually very moisturizing to me. I don't know why it looks like this. Ugh. This is another thing that I reach for more in the winter months. I like this in the summertime too for a quick like rinse. So because this is so moisturizing for me, this gives me like almost co-wash vibes. I still need a deep condition after, but it's so lovely to me. I love it. So it has water, Moroccan pear oil, cherry kernel oil, Urtica oil, never heard of it, and coconut oil. It does also have aloe leaf juice. Like the second ingredient is Moroccan pear oil. Like, sis, this is super moisturizing. Love it. Smells like what it says, sweet ginger. And a little bit of this goes a long way, or you're going to be shampooing the suds out your hair for 5 business days. I promise you that. So this is really good. Let me circle back real quick and talk about a pre-shampoo. So the African Pride Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-Shampoo. It helps to minimize breakage for natural coils and curls. Love this stuff. Mention this again on my channel. My lights are super bright, but the names will be on the screen, or just listen. Listen is fundamental. This is super affordable. This is like $4 or $5. As soon as you put it on your hair, your curls are popping. You can detangle, finger detangle. Girl, this is a must-have. If you tend to have tons of tangles when you're shampooing, I highly recommend doing a pre-shampoo before, you know, or a pre-poo or something before shampooing, because my wash days are so much simpler when I do this, and I lose less hair when I do this. So I forgot to grab this product because they're downstairs. However, you should already know this. Kurls and Potions Pre-Cleanse Primer is the truth. I talk about it all the time, so I don't want to just like bore you to death, but get on it. Okay, so I've kind of dialed back a little bit from being a co-wash girl because of clay washes. However, I still really like my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Moisture Co-Wash. First 5 ingredients: water, coconut oil, shea butter, mango seed butter, olive oil. It has aloe leaf juice in here as well. But, oh, it has black soap in here? That's cool. I really like this conditioner, this co-wash. I use this more in the summertime for sure. Bae also uses this in the summertime. I don't co-wash as much in the winter because I don't see a need for it really. I'm more like protective styling and stuff like that. But this co-wash gets the job done. I'm able to lightly detangle with this. It's not the most slippage, but it does the job. Another co-wash that I like, I've mentioned this on my channel. I have a review on this, so I will leave it in the eye for you guys. It's the Hairgarten Carrot Crush Co-Wash. This stuff was amazingly good. It's actually kind of freakishly good in my opinion. Slip for days. It smells delicious. Smells like an orange creamsicle. I'll probably use this up though because it's like, it's fresh. Like she hand makes these. So it has distilled water, organic carrot seed extract, castor oil, BTMS, and cetyl alcohol, and then fragrance. There's not much in here. Like, I kid you not. This is the most like clean thing you're ever gonna have. Get your hands on this, sis. Black owned, awesome, love it. I almost want to co-wash my hair right now. So this next product is actually a clay co-wash. So it's the Soultanicals Hair to the Rescue Afrovedic Not Goo. This is an honorable mention product. I just tried it for the first time the other day. I'm not sure if I'm liking this yet, but the fact that it's a clay and a co-wash makes me like this, the idea of this. The first 5 ingredients is distilled water, bituminum multisulfate, cetyl alcohol, Rhassoul clay, and African black soap. Has some really good stuff in here actually, flaxseed oil. Again, it's just an honorable mention because I haven't used it that many times to really love it, but when I have used it, I did like it. On to clay washes, y'all. Before 2020, I did not know about clay washes, or if I did, I was just like, doesn't it do the same thing as a shampoo? Like, I was mad ignorant, okay? So now that I've gotten a chance to try clay washes, I will never turn back, and I will explain this in this video. Hopefully this video isn't too long, but if it is, I'm about to drop some gems to y'all, okay? My hair has been getting longer, and I'll tell you why. So the first clay wash that I've ever tried is by Chocolate Kinks and Kurls, and it was the Rhassoul Coco Cream Clay Wash. It detox, detangler, and conditioner. Y'all, this is almost done. Can y'all see that? Okay, it has distilled water, shea butter, aloe vera gel, BTMS, and Rhassoul clay. It also has like jojoba oil, argan oil, avocado oil, cocoa butter. So if you're allergic to nuts, sis, just stay away from it, okay? A little bit goes a long way, for one. It gives a little bit of a light lather. So because it's a clay, so you scoop it out. You know, you got nails, it gets in your nails, sis. It happens. You scoop it out, you rub it in your hands, you apply it to the hair. It's kind of like doing a Indian clay mask, but more moisturizing, I would say. This has a lot more like slip to apply to the hair. Sis, my curls are juicy, it's clumping, my hair is clean, it doesn't irritate my scalp, I can finger detangle. Y'all know I haven't been using combs like that, and if I am, it's only for deep conditioning. So with this step, I don't have to deep condition after. I choose to though, because that's just me and I have to deep condition. But with this, y'all, oh my god, like my hair has never felt or looked better. I promise you that. Get your hands on this. They have other ones. I have another one I'll show you. But clay washes has changed the game for me, and I'll tell you in a minute. Another one is, again, Chocolate Kinks and Kurls Red Clay and Hibiscus Clay Wash. This one is detox, elasticity, booster, and a length retention. It smells like red velvet, like cake. It has distilled water infused with hibiscus, marshmallow root, red clay, hibiscus powder, and shiitake powder. It also has cocoa butter, almond oil. I got the big old one, sis, because I wasn't playing. Another one that I tried was the Main Crush Krisis Control Ayurvedic Cleansing Mask. And it has distilled water, aloe vera juice, shea butter, castor oil, and shiitake. I feel like all these have that. And this also has Rhassoul clay and hibiscus. So this is actually a blend of the other two I just said. That's kind of cool. So this consistency is not my favorite. I mentioned this in the review. I have a review on this. It's a little bit lighter than the rest, but it's just as good. This one though, you have to let the product sit for 15 minutes. I don't know what that's about. I don't really care for that. But this one's also not as moisturizing as the other two. So what they all have in common is that they aren't stripping my hair. Okay, they're giving me tons of moisture, tons of curl definition. I'm getting more length retention because I'm not like stripping my hair of its natural oils. I'm not aggravating my hair so much. I'm detangling in the first step. To be completely honest with you guys, once I started incorporating clay washes into my hair routine, my hair has never looked any better. This side of my hair is the side that tends to not curl as well as this side. But sis and gents, I promise you, my curls are now amazing. It's like I curl trained my hair in a sense. And this side just looks so freaking good. This is a wig by the way, because I have a review on that. But incorporate a clay wash into your routine, and I promise you, you will see a difference. And come back to this video and tell me that I told you the truth. Like, just give me my props. Just give me my props now. Give me my flowers while I'm alive. Okay? Comment down below and let me know, do you also use clay washes? And do you prefer clay washes over conventional shampoos? Let me know, because I actually do. And the shampoos I mentioned in the beginning, I haven't really been using like that. I've been more gravitating towards my clay washes. So, at the end of this video, I had to drop that gem real quick. I'm sorry this video is super long. The rest aren't as long. But I didn't want to just tell you, yeah, I like this product, yeah, I like this product, and not tell you anything about it. That defeats the purpose. So if I have reviews on any of these products, I will leave them throughout the video. But they'll also be down in the description bar, so be sure to check that out. The other videos in this series will also be in the description bar. Subscribe to your girl, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.